I are in a cooking frenzy. She already cooked beef picadillo, and we're now slow cooking whole chicken. And I'm thinking of making a condensed milk so I can make George's favorite cake, Brazo de Mercedes. So for our ingredients, we have butter, Nestle cream, and confectioner sugar replacement. This is 0 calories, natural taste, bakes and measures like sugar. So we will need 4 tablespoons of confectioner sugar, which we use Swerve, and 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2 cups of heavy cream, but I'm gonna use Nestle cream or the table cream because that's what I have. This is the finished product, our Keto Condensed Milk, made with Nestle cream.